What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to go over Dogecoin today. We're going to be doing some technical analysis and seeing where Dogecoin could go next. So definitely hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want 10% off all your trading fees, then definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description and go ahead and sign up there. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. Let's get straight to the video though. So the first thing that we want to talk about here with Dogecoin is the drop that we just now had. We actually pumped all the way up here until 1440 here with Dogecoin up here on the Fibonacci retracement. So we can definitely see that the second we hit that, we did get rejected here in Dogecoin, and then we immediately started to retrace back down here, and now we're stopping here really at the support of 1470. So you actually may see Dogecoin continue to try to get back up to where it was before. And I don't know why I have this line view on. I meant to put on the candles. But yeah, you can see there was a lot of selling there. And now we are probably going to start to go back up and try to hit that 15-cent area, possibly even going back down to 1450 before that happens. But there's still a lot of potential here for Dogecoin to continue to rise. Now, this green bar down here that you see, like outside of the Fibonacci retracement, when you look at this green bar here, this is pretty much part of the Vital Algo indicators, and it pretty much shows that there's more demand for Dogecoin right here. So even if we were to break this 1450 area and then eventually break 1447, we still have more demand for 1431 here with Dogecoin. So we have that possibility to stop there. And that's not the only thing. Also, if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see there's actually a lot of demand for Dogecoin as well at lower areas. So let's just go ahead and zoom in on what we got now. So taking off the Fibonacci retracements again, you can see this whole area is a more demand zone for Dogecoin, all the way from 1320 up. So let's just go ahead and turn on the auto, just back this out all the way, and just go all the way back here with this. All right, so now that you can see all these red areas here pretty much showing less demand. That was previously, but now that we've actually broken out here with Dogecoin, you see there's all these green areas of more demand. So what's more likely to happen with Dogecoin, will probably start to end up pumping once we start in dropping pretty much down to here, like I said, to around the 14 area, flat 1430, somewhere around there. Probably end up pumping to this red area right here. This is where we have the next resistance area. So we'll see some resistance here around the 17 cents area. So somewhere around there, we'll have resistance. But yeah, Dogecoin is definitely going to continue to pump up here. We are coming off an overbought area. It shows here on the oscillator. So definitely prepare for a pullback here. Like I said, we're definitely going to get this pullback. It's inevitable. If you look at the whole overall crypto market, is due for a little bit of a pullback, not a crash, just a little bit of a pullback. Like Cardano was up huge. But yeah, Dogecoin's up pretty big. If you look over here, Dogecoin actually up 6.8% in the last 24 hours. That's pretty big. Last 7 days, 26%. That's big too. Literally in every single time period, Dogecoin is up right now. That's actually looking good for the overall crypto market, because almost all cryptos are sitting in the same space right now. So that's huge. We're going to be going over the technicals here. Look, whales flocked to Dogecoin as Doge bulls trigger a 75% rally. So we're going to go over the technicals from the FX Street point of view. But before we do that, look over here at all what the whales are doing. So this right here is one of the top whales in Dogecoin. This right here is the very top whale. You can see this one has $4.5 billion in Doge. This has $1.4 billion in Doge. So this one right here is the top the top Dogecoin whale. You can see $40.9 million. That's a lot of money right there that they just now sold out of Dogecoin on the 24th. They sold it at 13.7. So they sold it at a loss, because today we just now pumped. So they would have had way more money had they waited to do that. So as well as that, you can see over here on the 14th of January, they also sold. But this whale has been slowly but surely dumping out of all of their Dogecoin. They bought $2 billion, yes, over here inside of October. But since then, they've been selling Dogecoin. So I just had to mention that, because this is the top whale in Dogecoin. But then you got whales like this that aren't the top whales in Dogecoin, that have done nothing but buy Dogecoin for the past 3 months. Like literally just buy a bunch of Dogecoin. This is the second largest whale buying Dogecoin left and right. This is another whale here that's also buying a lot of Dogecoin. They did sell a lot down here, but they are buying more. They bought all that back and more. $862 million purchase. Yeah, $6 million purchase did get sold over there. I mean, sold, not purchase, sell. And then over here, you can see that they bought it literally almost immediately the day after. And then they kept buying more and more and more Dogecoin as we start the pump. So we're seeing a lot of whales doing different stuff like this. This whale right here came in on the 11th of this month, which is March, at $51.7 million. And now they're at $67.8 million, just waiting for it. And they'll probably end up selling a little bit But anyways, you see this whale over here came in on the 24th, $36.6 million. Now they have $40 million. So you're seeing a lot of these whales are doing lots of gains here. This one came in 2 days ago on the 26th. Now they have 30. They went from $34 million to $39 million. You got this one that came in today at $22.5 million, now at $22.6 million. So it's definitely good to watch what the whales are doing, because the whales are they're pretty much what's going to trigger the rally inside Dogecoin. But yeah, Dogecoin price breaks out of a following wedge pattern, signaling a 75% ascent. So the number of long-term holders of Doge continues to skyrocket despite the lackluster performance in the second half of 2021. So a weekly candlestick close above 11 cents will validate the bullish thesis. Pretty much they're saying if Dogecoin hits 11 cents, it'll validate the bullish thesis. But I don't believe Dogecoin's going to hit 11 cents, because you can see Dogecoin just has so much demand. All these green areas are heavy demand areas, high demand there. We have high demand here, high demand there. So Dogecoin is pretty much not going to reach any of those low demand areas, because we just have such high demand for Dogecoin. So right now I want to show us a few other things for Doge. So over here you can see is what they're talking about with the falling wedge pattern. Let's take off these indicators because it's kind of looking a little bit messy. So yeah, they're saying that we're pretty much exiting this falling wedge pattern. You can see starting from here all the way down, we had that falling wedge that was pretty much formed a while ago with Dogecoin. But now that you kind of see that it's no longer like a thing anymore, we're probably about to start this pump very soon here with Dogecoin. Well, we already started the pump, but this could definitely, it could definitely be something that you want to be a part of, because I'm not going to sit here and lie and say Dogecoin is about to go to $1 immediately. No, you're probably going to have to see it wait for a long time. Maybe at the end of the year we could see $1. But right now, what we're really looking forward to is pretty much the 20-cent area. Like we're about to hit 16 cents. Remember, 16 cents is where our next resistance is. When we looked at these technicals, we could see 16 cents is where that next area of resistance is, all the way up here, over in this Fibonacci retracement from 1641 to 1811. And then from there, we got to end up trying to pass 19, and then boom, 20 cents is going to come immediately after that with little to no resistance. So we just got to really pass 16 cents, and that's really where our heavy resistance is. We already got rejected at 15, but we still have the possibility to hit 16 cents. Now, over here, you can see Dogecoin price continues to make headway. So Dogecoin price set up 4 lower highs and 5 lower lows since May 3rd, 2021. Connecting these swing points using trend lines resulted in a falling wedge formation. So the technical formation forecasts a 75% ascent to 21 cents, obtained by adding the distance between the first swing high and the low to the breaking point. So, and interestingly, the Dogecoin price reached the following wedge upper trend line on March 21st at 12 cents. Since then, Doge has rallied 21% and has already started the week green, indicating more gains in the future. So yeah, while things are looking up from a technical perspective, the number of long-term investors or holders that Doge pretty much holds for more than a year seems to be increasing despite Dogecoin going down. So even though Dogecoin's been going down, we've been seeing people increasingly buying more and more and more Doge. So that's actually pretty big for Dogecoin. And look, like I said, this falling wedge pattern, we're pretty much getting out of it right now. We just got to keep, striving for the best inside Dogecoin. And look, let's just go all the way back here. Let's just go all the way back. Look at that 1-day chart for Dogecoin. Like, just look at all the growth for Dogecoin. We already know where Dogecoin came from, but let's just be completely honest. You don't see anything like this happening in any other crypto without a huge pullback. And most cryptos don't even get the opportunity to have something like this. And look, over here on the oscillator, you can see Dogecoin is coming off an overbought area. So we did have a lot of buying here. So we're probably going to see major selling coming very soon. And when I say major, it's not going to be like a dump, but we are going to see Dogecoin pull back. Like I said, it's already almost there, the 1465 all the way down to 14% flat. So you will see that coming soon for Dogecoin. But after that, it's all game over there, because after that, we have a lot of stuff to get past here with Dogecoin. So 20 cents coming on the horizon with Dogecoin. Definitely continue to watch out for that. Like I said, not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But yeah, if you do like the video, though, definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And actually, I was about to close the video, but before I do, look, we just now broke that 1470 area. Like I said, we're slowly but surely going to go down to this green bar here. This green bar is the vital algo indicator. It indicates that there's more demand here for Dogecoin. The bulls are still in control of the 24-hour market control by 80%. So right around here is where we should start getting more buying. When we hit around 1430, possibly 1420, we're going to see some more buying coming in for Dogecoin. So anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want these vital algo indicators, check out the vital algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link inside of the description. And remember, as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.